Hi there, happy Friday and happy American Thanksgiving. I'm not American myself, but my wife and I are down here staying with her brother for the week. They actually take the whole week off this week. Quite nice. Not because we're here, just because it's Thanksgiving. Anyway, social media influencers, TikTok, Instagram, OnlyFans. Are you working with any clients like that? If you are and they're not currently pre-approved, please send them my way. I can get them approved. I was on a lender presentation just this week where they specifically called out social media influencers and their ability to finance them and not really having a problem with that. Just a reminder, if you are doing an open house and you would like financing sheets, like these ones, I am happy to provide them. Also, if you would like someone to come and spend some time at the open house, I can do that too. I have spent a few weekends at open houses over the last couple months, answering visitor questions and sometimes even answering the door when it got busy. So very happy to provide that. Anyway, have a great weekend and I hope to talk to you soon.